A really interesting opportunity many people don't know about is what's called wholesaling real estate. Wholesaling real estate means you find someone with a property that they want to sell. You put it under contract, and then you sell your deal to an investor. To get started, you start looking for properties that are for sale by owner. If you find a good deal, you make an offer. If it's accepted, you can sell that deal to an investor. The money from wholesaling can be fantastic, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per deal. Some people do this full time and only have to land one deal per month. Another great business idea for those of you who like to spend time on the web is to buy and flip domain names. If you've ever had a great idea for a business and checked if the website or domain name is available, you'll likely run into this type of business before. The 1- and 2-word domain names all seem to be held by companies that are waiting to sell the best domain names for thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here's how to get started. Check out domain name tools like Namecheap or GoDaddy to find a cool domain name. I myself once purchased llcfile.com for $10. I listed it on an auction site called Afternick, and I sold it for $750. You can list your domain names on resale websites, but you can also post a simple web page that tells people that your domain name is for sale. The potential income from this is $50 to $500 a month. You simply write about something in a niche and publish that content with a WordPress website. Pick something you know well and combine articles with lists of resources. Then people find that site when they search for information on that niche, and you get paid from running ads on the site. Here's how you do it. List your areas of expertise and search for content around that expertise. You might even look at narrow sub-niches within that niche. Find a great domain name that's descriptive of that information, like myfreelegalaid.com, and have someone build you a simple WordPress site. You can have that done on Fiverr or Upwork for a pretty low price. Write long articles about each subject in the niche. Once you have a few dozen long articles, you wait for Google to rank you. While you wait, work on learning how to make your site more elegant. Play with WordPress themes, and also sign up for Google's AdSense so that you can add advertisements to your websites, and learn how to optimize those ads to run on your site. Google has free tutorials when you sign up for AdSense. You can make anywhere from $50 a month to thousands of dollars a month per website. Another neat little business idea that you can easily implement on the side is to do referrals for others in your industry. What this really means is that you charge a fee when you refer someone to a business. Here's how it's done. You want to look for formal opportunities in your profession to make money on referrals. If you're already in a profession, you can start asking colleagues about what kind of structure that you can create that's mutually beneficial. Look around to the people in your personal network for business owners who might be happy to pay if you send them business. Then find some customers for them. Now, the potential income, you can easily make $500 to $5,000 a month depending on how hard you want to work. What can you do to take action? Start doing research about industries that pay referral fees or commissions to people that refer clients. And ask around with your circle of friends and colleagues. See if you can identify a few businesses that you can send people to. Finally, develop some ways to find potential customers for them. Do you have a great voice? You can make money doing voice talent. People are paid to do podcast intros, online tutorials, and more. I read a story about a woman who was making full-time money just doing custom voice recordings on Fiverr. Check out other platforms like voices.com, voicejungle.com, and VoiceBunny, to name a few. The potential income could be as low as $50 a month, and you might make thousands of dollars a month. To take action, get on the platforms, set up an account, record, and post. Put yourself on Craigslist for local companies and start networking to showcase your service. Seriously, there's a huge market out there for helping others get routine tasks done or errands completed. This is such a great low-barrier way to make money that anyone can get started right away. Basically, you're just helping busy people get some basic tasks completed. The list of things you can do for them is a long one. Here's a sampling of what is listed on TaskRabbit, where people offer services from delivery service for anyone who needs something delivered across town, home repairs for the jack-of-all-trade types, general cleaning, furniture assembly. You might even save a marriage if you can assemble an IKEA furniture piece. Moving or heavy lifting services, waiting in line for someone. Yes, people do hire people to do this, whether it's for special events, concert tickets, restaurants, or other places. The potential income can be a couple hundred a month to a couple $1,000s a month. Anything and everything is sold on Amazon, which means you can get in on the e-commerce too. The great thing about selling on Amazon is that you can either ship right from your own home, known as Fulfilled by Merchant or FBM, or you can have Amazon do the fulfillment for you, or what's known as FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon. So what should you sell? Well, nearly everything you can think of is in play here. In fact, the possibilities are so endless with Amazon that you should do a little education recon before you get going. Listen to the Opt Out Life podcast episode with Ryan Mulvaney, known as the Amazon Whisperer, and also take advantage of the free courses out there about selling with Amazon. The potential income is $100 to $3,000 a month. You already use Amazon to buy things. Now get out there and start selling things and make money with this massive platform. Get hints from the Amazon Whisperer, my buddy Ryan Mulvaney, who you can find on LinkedIn.